How to fix Modern Warfare 2 Detrick Lester error. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your app on your device. Then, click on the gear icon beside play. After you click on the gear icon, click on Game Settings at the top. After you've clicked on Game Settings, click on Download on the left side and make sure you have downloaded the latest version. After that, press on System Configuration, open System Configuration and click on Services at the top. In here, click on Hide All Microsoft Services at the bottom, and then click on Disable All. After you click on Disable All, press on OK. Now, open any tab and search Windows Clean Boot. And make sure you clean boot in Windows as well, as you'll find different options in Google. Then open Command Prompt and then type in as shown on the screen, which is ping space google.com. After you do that, press on Enter and you will find your ping. If your ping is high, make sure you turn on and off your router. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to fix Modern Warfare 2 Detrick Lester error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.